Hi there, thanks for checking out the Visual Plus theme. I've been working on it a ton and I think it's a great one for showing off artwork and images. I'll walk you through a couple of the features here. You can see it has a really nice black background, it's really dark, and I think that really allows the photography to pop. But if you had artwork or something else that didn't work so great with this black background, there are a number of style options. So you could choose to do a light color schema, and that looks like this. Or if you're a developer and you want to customize the theme a lot, you might go for the minimal option, and that allows you to really easily override a lot of these styles in a child theme. Some other customization options are fonts. I added a couple Google fonts that I really like and some system fonts, so you can just select those in the options panel and try those out on your site to see if you like them. One other thing that people have been asking about is fixing this header up here to the top of the screen so it's always present when someone scrolls down. And so that's really easy to do in Visual Plus. Just save it, and as the user goes down, it'll stay affixed to the top. A feature I've been working on a ton and I think is great for our work is to display the images in a light box. So this is an optional feature, you can turn it on or off, but when someone clicks on an image, it'll pop it up into this nice light box, and then the user can scroll through and see all the different images that are up there really easily in this really large format. This theme is also really great for mobile devices. It works in tablets, it works on phones, and you can see it just lays out slightly differently. It'll lay each post on top of each other and the user can scroll down to see them all. This light box feature also works in the mobile device and I think looks fantastic. And instead of having to tap here on the buttons each time, the users can just slide. So it accepts touch gestures, which was really fun to work on and I think people will enjoy. A couple other features that Visual Plus has is infinite scroll. So as you scroll down, new posts will just fade in there. That feature too is optional, so you can turn it off if you like. And you have the option to turn off the image from showing automatically in post. So if you click on this, you'll see that the image shows up here at the top. But maybe you want to put in a gallery instead and you don't want such a large image at the top of the post, so you can turn that off. If you're going to add a new post to your site, it's really easy. Just go to your post section, click add new. Make sure to have the featured image available to you on the right. If you don't see it, go ahead and click on your screen options and make sure that it's not unchecked for some reason. If it's there, you just go ahead and click set featured image and drag whatever images you have into it. When it uploads, go ahead and say set featured image, select that. Give your post a title, write some content, go ahead and publish it. And when you do that, you will now see your post showing up at the top here. Oops. I was also going to show that you can turn off this image on a per post basis too if you choose, and that's under the featured meta here, and just say do not display the image in the post. This theme I think is pretty straightforward, but I know there's always questions about how it works or what plugins might conflict or work well with it. And if you have those, just go ahead and you can read the documentation here, or you can click this button and send me an email for theme support. So I really hope you enjoy using the visual theme on your site, and let me know how it goes.